everyone, this is Karina from MAPA. If you are confused about choosing between torsion bar and electro-hydraulic bending machines, let's start with their core differences, how they work. Torsion bar machines rely on a mechanical torsion bar connecting left and right cylinders. It uses physical rigidity to force synchronized slider movement with an open-loop hydraulic system. Precision here depends entirely on the torsion bar's stiffness. Electro-hydraulic machines, they ditch the torsion bar. Instead, they use electro-hydraulic servo valves, linear scouts, encoders for closed-loop control, real-time electronic feedback, dynamically compensant for errors, achieving ultra-precise synchronization. In short, torsion bar, mechanical force sync, electro-hydraulic equals smart dynamic adjustment. That's the fundamental tech gap shaping their performance.